one thing I do wrong as a spiritual man. And you can bash me and take my neck. And that is why I feel so bad. One thing Spice asked me to do, and I feel like I should regret it. And that is the only reason why I come out and talk. Spice say, RT, anything you can do for make nobody pass me. Me want to stay there for myself. Lady Star did there how much 20 odd years, and dancehall come how much I. All me want you do for me, RT, make me do a good 25 years in a dance hall. That's all me I beg you do. Me no want nobody pass me. She said to me, say Tifa did a go on with herself. Tifa just get slow down. She listen to me, I talk things I want to read between the line. All great say she must stay up on top. You notice she not doing a song with Prampute. The angel thing me never agree with. The angel thing me never agree with. And that was causing an argument, make me disappear upon her. Because me I say to you, say, Spice, look when nothing come out, come say. Look what everybody say about you. If you go out there, go do the angel thing, it a go look bad upon you. Me think you feel lower. She say, well, angel, me not get no boss and come boss nobody. Because the end of the day is, boss angel one boss and she run me down. When me did broke and hungry, me never see nobody. I work, and me and you work for them when me there. So the end of the day, nobody now come past me. So me say, all right, and me agree. When the baby father take her to court, don't you see me come out with the papers and show it? She said to me that the baby father not forget no Spice even more than me, yeah? Let me tell you. You see, if I was a Wobia man, enough artists get tied down. Spice don't have good art, but me love her genuine. But the love dead. Because right now, people in my inbox say them are that type of crew, and if that type of crew went and they see me at Jamaica, them are going to slap a shot in my head. Me tell them to slap a shot in them man hook on door. Because I be a death threat me get. But since them are plan to kill me, might as well me come talk my mind. Let me tell you this, I forever say this until them put the shot in my head. Spice is fucking ungrateful, and a lot of you artists out there know it. Say, is Obia bring dancehall on top. No, the greatest thing, I am not there. I am not Ron Spice anymore. And as long as me not the Ron Spice, me guarantee say she now go grow, she will never elevate. Because I was always guiding her. Spice and her color, Spice color and her art merge. Spice color and her art is very merged together. Dirty. Look how she hide me. Me hear she saw some of the hypocrite. Spice come out and post, but friend no good for you, girl. Friend. Oh, you come now and say, you and Spice a friend, a wicked. Did Spice tell you me and her a friend? How you know me and Spice a friend? All you hear me say a Spice a friend, Spice a friend. Ask yourself things no people on social media. You don't have a brother, you don't have a mother, you don't have a sister, you don't have a aunt. Ask yourself if Spice ever acknowledged that me and her are some friend or anything. Spice never acknowledged me. Don't you hear me and tell her, say, make Richie Feelings be your ever friend? Because all you talk about is Richie Feelings, they your friend. So question people, if you are some wicked for come out, come bash her. Tell the truth, you don't have a heart. If I am here advising you, and telling you things, and I try to make you go good, and you are going to go out there and denounce me as friend. Spice never say me and her a friend, but it's because me come out, come talk, and she read the comment, and all I want to say, if you and I was a friend, why you never talk to your friend? Why you got come out with her business? Then she come out and start say, I'm a friend. When Winford interviewed me, and I said, Spice is my friend. Did you hear Spice come back and say that RT is your friend? Them thing that is to show you say the girl are wicked. This is where the girl use her sense. The Rasta man, I am the one who prophesy and tell her about the Rasta man. I am the one who verify the Rasta man and make sure you know the Rasta man are come. You see the thing about it, people, this is my last video. If you don't want to bash me, if you don't want to kill me, if you don't want to say anything, me attack. Listen, I not come in a dancehall if you come make no money off a dancehall music, because me already have my money. I just did want people to know the type of good deeds where me do. If you go on RT Nada Smith page, you see say all me do I advise and uplift people. All of my spirituality, whether if you want to say me a scam, whether if you want to say me a walk over, if you notice when somebody call me, right? Even if me a scam them, based on full no understanding what I say. Even if me a scam them, you watch all of my videos all about elevate, uplift and encourage. No scammer now go encourage nobody and uplift them. 95% of my life, me sit down every day I read people free. Which reader man? You know, get up and read people free. Which reader man you see on social media? 7 days a week I read people free. Go up and, you know why someone who don't know about me and they accuse me? Because you guys things that me never about. If you want to know about RT Boss, search me out on Facebook. I don't come on Instagram. Me never really like Instagram energy. At Facebook, me do everything. All I want the people them to know and it get the facts that Grace Almington Spice, dirty hard, me help her, me kill goat, me do a lot of sacrifice, me sin up myself, no Maca Diamond. Let me tell you now, two things about me, no Maca Diamond, your career. Me want to take this platform to apologize to Maca Diamond. Maca Diamond, I sincerely apologize to you. Right on this platform. Because the two things I ever do in my entire life that I will regret, but only God can forgive me. But me have to give myself and allow God to judge me. Maca Diamond, the only thing I do in dancehall that is wrong was to stop your career with Spice, instruct me. When Lady Saw was there and she and Lady Saw wasn't friend, Spice tell me, say, that she wanted because Lady Saw carry go a man a St. Mary. And everything when me tell her about Lady Saw is true. Because Lady Saw first carry her go make she bought and know about things. And she don't trust Lady Saw. Because I also read about the jacket. Lady Saw right when she said she give her the 3 jacket. So if she said, yes, Lady Saw give her the jacket. Yeah, if she's selling at the store. But that was the jacket for all her down. I removed that jacket. Listen, don't make Lady Saw fool you neither, because Lady Saw love Obia. Mr. Lady Saw come out and she read her Bible and so forth and I go on with herself. You know, she said me and Lady Saw merge. Because I am a man of God and I same thing me I do. The only thing that Lady Saw not do is cuss one bag of bad word. But she drop out same way and Spice. Nobody like me, eh? Nobody no get me. So you realize that all the way are the same thing. But let me just say this. Maca Diamond, I apologize to do something to slow you down because of Spice wishes. You were the only one in line. You were the only one in line after Lady Saw. Maca Diamond, you are free to resurrect. You are free to go. My God will forgive me. That wasn't my wish because I already have my money. Ask anybody at Central Village. But she instruct me to come and sting. Now here when me stop you with Maca Diamond. Remember when you go Maca Diamond and Sting, you did feel bad. Yes, Spice is the first person make me do things when me no want. That's the only thing I ever do. I'm not gonna tell a lie. And God as my witness. I was the one who come at Sting. I am a spiritual man. Me not do evil, but I know things. I come on the stage, Maca Diamond. That is why when you reach there, you're never feeling good. That's why when you reach there, you leave. Because her situation, remember me advise her for go, you know. But she turned to me and said, the only way me go a Sting unless you go. And the only way me go a Sting is that make sure when you fix up the whole thing, Maca Diamond don't come. Maca Diamond talk the truth. If you take on Lady Saw, if you take on Lady Saw so bluntly, why you couldn't take on Spice? Ask yourself that. Why you feel bad at the venue, but my God will forgive me. That's the only bad thing I do for that girl. But everything else is advised and good. In her head, because me don't know nothing about dancehall, is that Lady Saw will leave. And Maca Diamond was running. Maca Diamond, she never liked you. Same thing as if never like Pampete and she not like Lisa and the whole of them. Me call name, when you say me mix up. Me have to call name because of what the girl tell me. Oh, anyway, Chen say there, how she know say, she ask for collab and not get it. How the girl tell me the girl are dirty, the girl are evil. I'm not going to spend long all day because today my son's birthday. But me take up my son's birthday because she come out live and look pretty. All I want to sit down and make Spice a chicken and I tell her to be a fuckery. Spice is a wicked bitch. I mean not take back my talk. And you all who name Jamaican, who no go and see. No list get longer. Ladies are talk it say she get fear part. And she asked God for forgive her. The list I get longer for all of who spice, betray, Tongen, Safi. I told her to give Safi visa. She said she not putting back Safi visa. And the list go on. But you know what the problem? Tuna, she the queen, and she get strong back support from other people. So I'm afraid for talk. Well, I don't afraid for talk. I rather dead for speak the truth. No. Are you doing Obia? No, but I do one thing that I regret. Because let me explain something to you. Any spiritual man who knows spirituality right now, we do know about spirituality. Check the facts where RT has said. If I am working for Spice as a spiritual person, then me not have to lock the gate for nobody to reach there. Ask the spiritual people if we know about spirituality then. If you are advising Spice and doing spirituality, not Obia, because Obia is skull and bone, may I tell you again. Duppy is Obia, skull and bone. Skull and bone is Duppy. Look at my hand. You never see me have no whole heap of ring. You don't see me have 1, 2, 3, 4 ring for my hand. You don't see me in a 99 chain. Because I don't do evil. But at the time, the code and the love when I have for her, somebody that forgets stop for she rise in her career. At this time, she's the only one that swing. And that's all the order said. The order said one time. The order said that once I set the order, that is only going to be Spice and Spice, nobody else. If you should look into the whole situation, Spice is the only female artist right now in Jamaica that is surviving. And every other female artist come, them drop. No matter how them try, them drop. And why that happen, RT boss? The one mistake I make is that because I love her and I believe that when she reach where she there. Let me tell you, one mistake I make. One mistake I make is to close the bridge. Make nobody couldn't pass her.
Royalty.